It's important for it to be noted that the conversation that's happening nationally is a very important one, but the circumstances aren't new.
Defund the police! No more pigs in our community! No more pigs in our community!
They walk to express to the nation in a peaceful fashion their rights.
We're traumatized just by the systemic fact that we've been under oppression for over 400 years. And though we may not be on the bottom of boats anymore, but we certainly at the bottom of education. We may not be in the cotton fields for free labor, but you're certainly getting it from us now.
It all just comes down to that we're in a state of emergency because Black people are dying.
Clearly, I have missed the boat in some way as an elected leader. I recognize that. I now need help fixing that.
This resolution affirms that racism is a public health crisis that results in disparities in family stability, health, and mental health wellness, education, employment, economic development, public safety, criminal justice, and housing.
All those in favor?
Aye.
16 yeas.
This will finally give some teeth to some things that we've been working on here in Milwaukee County for quite some time.
It's 0 no's. The item is received and placed on file.
When you make a declaration and you tell people this is a crisis under CDC guidelines, now you have to do whatever you can to mitigate the crisis. We look at this as racism being the other pandemic that we're experiencing right now.
And really felt we've come to a cultural and societal moment where it is just pivotal that we say collectively, racism exists, it's been wrong, it's wrong now, and we have to join together and do everything we can to eliminate it.
And it's unfortunate that an event and a circumstance such as George Floyd had to happen for them to shine even, a light or get a closer lens into what disparities are affecting Black Americans. If we do not address this moment now, Black people are going to continue to remain in that cycling of suffering.
What I brought to the table on this was, let's not just do a resolution, but let's have a plan for work after we pass it. And that's where I said, let's create an element group of the countywide vision to really dig into and work on the topic. And our shared goal is to identify, eliminate the effects, and prevent racism.
It was all 5 yeses and no nos. I was excited, but then right at that moment, I couldn't celebrate too hard because I said, well, there's still work to be done. There's still work to be done. This isn't just a resolution. This is on paper, but we got to make sure that there's actionable steps put into place. This cannot be performative.
And in the 53206 zip code is a zip code that's nationally known for being the most incarcerated in the world. Wisconsin has been named the worst state in the nation to raise a Black child. I think it only made sense that we were the first to declare this a public health crisis. I'm proud. We created a vision statement for the first time in 20 years. This hadn't been done in 20 years, and our vision is very simple. We want to make Milwaukee the healthiest county in the state of Wisconsin by achieving racial equity. And that's what led to our racial equity ordinance, because we wanted to institutionalize this work and really make it law.
Everybody feels like it's time for government to take the lead to call it out. So as we come out of this COVID-19 crisis, we actually have to come out of this better than we went in.
I believe part of the challenge is going to be making sure we stay at the table and stay actively engaged and know that this is a marathon and not a sprint. That the work that we've accomplished on yesterday, I may not be able to see the full benefit of it, like Dr. King and Malcolm X and Medgar and our other heroes were not able to experience and enjoy some of the things that we're enjoying. But I believe my grandchildren, my unborn grandchildren and great-grandchildren and others will benefit off of the work that we started yesterday.